that time when everybody smiles, eyes are shining bright.
What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo if you guys are new, and if you are a returning subscriber, I'm so glad you guys are back for another video. This is rat tail I got going on. So if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you guys clicked the subscribe button with the notifications on so that way you never miss a video. I'm currently doing Vlogmas and we have so much content coming out, guys. It's holiday, just explosion on the channel right now. We're gonna have like DIYs, crafts, recipes, decor tricks, tons of fun things in between. I'm just really excited, especially for the New Year's content. We're gonna talk about planners and all that. So definitely don't wanna miss out. Click the subscribe button. I'm also doing a ton of giveaways over on my Instagram channel at Haley Cairo, so give that a follow as well. As you can see, my Christmas tree is naked. There are no ornaments, so I figured that today would be a great day to just clean with me and get ready for decorating. We'll do some decorating. I'm gonna leave the Christmas tree for when Kyle's home because I don't know, I wanna do it with him. So we need to get this place cleaned up. It's a hot mess from all the projects we've had going on and how crazy our weekend was. If you guys didn't see Vlogmas Day 1 and 2, check it out because it was time. But we are going to get cleaning because this house is a mess. So let's get started. One of the best tips that I can give you guys for cleaning and decorating in preparation for the holidays is to enjoy it and do it in stages, even if it means you need to do it over a few days. Put on a Christmas movie, start decorating the tree, pick one spot at a time so that way it doesn't feel like a chore. It should be something that is a part of the process of the holidays, at least in my opinion. So today I just kind of focused on tidying and getting things ready to even be like decorated, you know what I mean? And you'll see that I do this over the course of a few days because I wear different outfits. But I've been using my dining room as a makeshift office since we are putting a ton of things for our new home in my office in the basement. And it just gets really cluttered. It's like part decorated, part working, and it just looks a little too busy. So I'm just gonna tidy up, put my things away. I have this really cool ottoman where it stores all of my planner and like notebooks and things like that, and I leave that in the dining room as well, so that's over there, the lattice print one, so I can kind of store things away and have easy access to it. I wasn't planning on putting a tree in here, but I've had this Christmas tree since I was probably like 10, and it was always in my bedroom growing up, and now I use it for my copper cookie cutters, my vintage copper cookie cutters, as ornaments. And I also put these little Starbucks copper ornaments on there, so it's kind of like food themed, I guess. So I don't know if you guys know this, but my dad is actually a ChemDry franchise owner, so he cleans carpets and he usually does ours, but the holidays are so busy that I need to take it upon myself to clean our stairs and our rugs and anything that is upholstery. And this Hoover One Power cordless upholstery cleaner is a lifesaver. Not only is it super easy to use, but it works amazing. And I just love how functional it is, guys. It's so simple. You just use the Hoover solution, pop it into the thing. Everything is just kind of like click and go, and it's cordless and it's lightweight, so you can just take it everywhere. It's great for getting up messes, especially if you have an animal. You can get up the accident like right there, and the cleanup is so easy. You're not gonna have things stuck in the hose or in the head because everything can detach and be washed, which is amazing. And I absolutely love this. It would be great if you have a cat or a dog, or like kids messes, they spill juice. All you do is squeeze the trigger and it squirts out the solution, and then when you pull back, it suctions it up. So easy to use, really quick. It's awesome if you have quick little messes. You don't have to get out some huge contraption or rent a machine. This makes it so easy. I will have links for this for Amazon down below. That's where I purchased mine. And I just love this because it just makes everything so easy, like cleaning the cushions, cleaning seat chairs, cleaning the carpets. It's just so functional. I absolutely love this thing. Another fun fact, when I was in the 10th grade, I actually went to the franchise training with my dad. So I am a certified carpet cleaner. Yes, I am. It's pretty amazing, I know.
But one thing about like professional grade carpet cleaning is there's tons of hoses. We're hooked up to this big commercial van and everything. This has no cord, so you're not tripping over anything. Everything goes right into that tank in the front of the Hoover, and then you just wash it out. Like, it's so simple. Now, the majority of my decorations in this little corner are from Terrain. So this poinsettia I picked up at Terrain, and that's Anthropologie's home and garden store. We are really close to Philadelphia, so that's their HQ. So we have a Terrain in our area. There's a few others in PA and in California, and I think in Connecticut. So that big patinaed bauble ornament is from there, and this bottle brush tree, which has a special dip dye, so they were all like very unique, and I loved how this turned out. Not everything is gonna stay this way. I'm gonna do a whole holiday home tour for you guys so you can really see like the full picture, and I'll go more into detail about everything. So make sure you're subscribed because it's gonna be a part of Vlogmas. Yes, we are doing Vlogmas this year, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you guys did so. I post a lot of wellness content, empowering lifestyle content, so that way you guys can be your best selves.
So for right now, I'm gonna just leave that tree as it is. My computer is doubling as my dining room is doubling as an office right now because we're moving everything into the basement office for moving, like things that we're purchasing. So I can't really make this look super aesthetic right now. So this is kind of what we're working with, but I think it'll end up looking really cute, and I actually might put the computer in Josh's room because he has a desk. So might do that.
Somehow the kitchen always by the end of the week is just like a mixture of random things, and I try to keep it as organized as possible, but you know, sometimes it gets away from me. And one thing that I do in the morning while my coffee is brewing is I just take that time to clean the kitchen, and it usually works out perfectly. Like the coffee's done by the time I'm done, and I just love that. Sometimes I'm loading the dishwasher, sometimes I'm unloading it, sometimes I'm doing the counters. It all just kind of depends. We do a ton of laundry in this household because, number one, I wear like 2 to 3 outfits depending on how many times I train that day, and then, you know, pajamas and whatever I wear during the day when I'm not working out. So I go through a lot of clothes, and then add Kyle and Josh, and it's just like, holy moly, we go through a ton of laundry. And right now, because we're kind of in this weird transition period with moving, Kyle moving in here for a little bit, like we just have stuff everywhere and things get very cluttered. And after this weekend, we had a lot of events, so I was doing my makeup very quickly in a rush, and I just kind of left it everywhere. But I can do a total like vanity tour organization video for you because it's actually pretty good when I use it properly. So let me know if you guys want to see that. And then for the bedroom, I'm not doing anything crazy this year. I usually go all out, but I'm keeping it simple. And I need to change out these pillows because these are my summer pillows, but I'm just going to do my snowflake garland and call it a day.
This is gonna sound like so bratty, but this house was not made for Christmas, okay? Like the outlets are just lacking, and I can't do garland on the whole, I can't do lit garland everywhere. We've got these beautiful staircases and beams that are very much the centerpiece of our home, and I can't light them unless I did like battery LED sort of garland. But I don't want to buy stuff for this house because we're moving, and it's like, but you know when you're really creative and you just have a vision, you need the vision executed. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Would that not look awesome, completely done, and verklempt.
Now, I've been working on the family room for a few days now, and I just have not figured out exactly what I want to do, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. I just ordered these fairy lights that are going to cascade over the whole fireplace, and it'll be shown in my next Vlogmas video, which I'm really excited about, and some fairy light starbursts that I'm going to get as well. I just ordered them, so don't want to miss out because this is going to look whimsical and magical, and I think you guys are going to really like it. Now, this Christmas tree I purchased at Target a few years ago. I absolutely love it. Some of the branches are a little bit lighter. They almost look flocked, but not really. It's just like different kinds of pine. And it's a very neutral tree, a lot of white, silver, champagne, some copper. And the camera does not do this justice whatsoever. This tree is so beautiful at night. I absolutely love it. When Kyle first came home to see it, he was like, wow, like he was even speechless. So I'm gonna try to get my camera to focus better on it and get some footage for a different video. But I have a lot of very whimsical ornaments from Nordstrom, Anthropologie, things that I've collected over the years, some antique ornaments, and then the Target Wonder Shop had a great set the last couple years. I don't know if they do it anymore, but it was like the bronze set, and I really, really like how that turned out. I also have some things from Kmart, like the ribbon and the bows. And yeah, it's just very neutral and very pretty, and I absolutely love it. Again, this is not doing it justice, and it really bums me out because I wish I could get it to like have it look how it really looks. I'm gonna post some pictures, maybe that will help you guys see it. So like I said, this is not the full decor of the house. There's things downstairs that I haven't shown you yet, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. I've got a ton of DIY Christmas videos coming out, some recipes, other holiday things, my new choosing a planner video, and my budget series is coming back. I'm losing my voice, but I hope you guys are doing well and excited for the rest of the holiday season.